Round 3 here. I'm starting this bad boy up. Another red. It's an FS over here. These are both FS behind me. Police, Minnesota State. Like I said, this is the 50th annual state fair. I mean, at the state fairgrounds. Ooh, got a window down. Back to 50's. 2024, June 22nd. Nice SS. Nice. What year is this? 63. Hey guys, what's happening? Yeah. It's a cool little classic right over there. Anyway, you don't see too many of those around. 4-door. That's a cool one. Kind of reminds me of old movies right there. I like all these old, I love the suicide doors. That's cool. College Club, classic old wagon. Damn right. Bel Air, those are pretty Mr. Popularities. I do like those. Got a lot of stuff over there. This is on the Minnesota State Fairgrounds, so that's nice. I like this Falcon. You don't see this is a nice. That's a cool little vehicle. Nice. Oh, nice. That's a nice one right there. Nice. You see, they got them lined up. Still a lot here. Nice convertible. For sale right here. I might buy it, but for sale. 917-674-3236. That bad boy, nice. Look at that, wide open in there. Chrysler. I like those, I don't know. A lot of work, man. What is it? 27 Roadster. Yeah, 10,000 vehicles is the biggest one in the country. Best thing about the rain, less people. There's a cool one right here. Look at this one. Nice. Love it. Got a gangster car. Gangsters and numbers. It's a nice one, Chev. There's one here called Snow White. I don't know if it's here or not this year. It's a really nice car. It's a nice one. Very nice. That's sweet. I'd steal that. What year? What year is this beast? What? How long you had it? Nice. Very nice. Keep up the good work. Keep hope alive. That's a nice one too as well. Nice. Love that red. kind of a low rider right here. Big dog. Kind of cool. Man, I tweaked my left knee today. Something cracked behind it, but kind of helping walking in it. Oh my goodness. Thunderbird, nice. Nice. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Oh yeah, big dog there. I love that. I love those old caddies. Oh, sweet. Nice one. I see a lot of kids playing in the water. Hilarious. I don't blame them. What the hell? 413 wedge. Dart. The Dodge brothers be proud. Wherever you guys are at, you guys. 1962 Dodge. Make great engines. Look at that bad boy, classic. So they're at O'Gara's at the fair, hanging out. That's nice. Yeah, a lot of water, man. Yeah, it goes for many moons here. Kind of a cool car. BB King, man, hell yeah. Nice. A lot of rain, man.
Oh my God!
We got a lot of rain this summer. It's a nice Bel Air. You can see. That's a nice one. Caroline, nice. Very nice. Got a couple over there too as well. I think it's a 4-door Nova over there. It's a nice Thunderbird right there. Nice. For sale. Who wants plus 40 grand for it? 213-259-4977. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, Ranchero. Love it. Nice. That's classic. That's classic. My favorite so far. What year is that?
57.
I saw a couple of those out in El Camino Rancho. I was out in down by Ocean Beach. There's 3 or 4 of them around. A couple of them are around there. One got a couple. Both El Caminos.
Yeah, I think we've seen like 3 here.
They're nice. They're rare. They're rare. I think they're cool. All right, guys. See you next one.